Hello again, everyone. It's Cynthia. Welcome back to the show. I have a question for you. Are you already booked on the Carnival Jubilee? That's right. Today we're talking Carnival Jubilee, Carnival's latest and greatest XL class ship debuting next year of 2023. I've got the latest updates and a look at some of the rooms, cabins, inside, all coming up next. But first, I have an invitation for you. I am inviting you to subscribe to the channel. Right Recipe for Travel is growing and we look forward to your support. Join the family. All it takes is a push down on that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. And also, while you're there, go ahead and tap on the notification bell. What will that do? Anytime a new video drops, you'll be notified so that you can be one of the first to check it out. And also, give us a thumbs up, a like, and please share it with your friends and family. All right, my personal invitation to you. And I can't let you forget about the group cruise. Right Recipe for Travel is hosting a group cruise November 25th of 2023 on the Carnival Jubilee. Directly after Thanksgiving of next year, we're getting down to Galveston and we're getting on the ship. We are going to have a blast. Loads of fun, tons of excitement. So once again, don't forget, go ahead and book your cabins now. It seems like it's such a long way away, right? Next year, but I'm telling you, this is an XL class ship, the first of its kind coming to port out of Galveston. If you wait too much longer, you're gonna call and say, okay, I would like to book a room. And they're gonna say, okay, we only have these and that left. You don't wanna be in that situation. You wanna pick the room and the floor that you decide to pick. So don't wait, book your group cruise now. All of the information for our group cruise will be listed right here in the description link, or you can go to rightrecipefortravel.com and get all of the information and contact our personal vacation planner to get yourself booked on the group cruise. All right, let's see. I have welcomed you to the show, invited you to subscribe, reminded you of the group cruise. Oh yeah, now it's time for the updates about Carnival Jubilee. Come along with me. So we will start our updates for the Carnival Jubilee in Germany. This happened just last week, around July 21st. This is called the keel laying ceremony. And what you see right here is the president of Carnival, Christine Duffy, along with the Meyer-Werft managing director, Bernard Meyer, and Carnival's senior vice president of new builds, Ben Clement. And you see that they brought some Texas-style flair with the cowboy hats. And this is in the Meyer-Werft shipyard in Papenburg, Germany. So what they have done is celebrated the keel laying ceremony by placing these coins, and I'll show you a picture of the coins in just a minute, underneath this massive 375-ton steel block. And this is one of the very first parts of the Carnival Jubilee to be put into place. So here is a look at the official coins. So these official coins depict Carnival Jubilee alongside the original MS Jubilee from 1986. And that ship was scrapped back in 2016. But this is commemorating this part of Carnival's history, as well as also celebrating its future. So these coins are put inside of the cruise ship as a symbol of good luck. And there is a special compartment near the mast of the Carnival Jubilee, and that will retain the coin as a permanent fixture once the construction is actually complete. Well, I just had to stop and talk about this one. A roller coaster at sea. I think this is wild. So this Bolt roller coaster, it can accommodate 2 riders at once, but the front passenger is the one that gets to control the speed at all times. And this thing makes its way around an 800-foot long track. It's a full lap of the rear part of the ship. There's no loops, but this track sits 187 feet, something like that, above the ocean. So this should really offer some super views, and it hits a top speed of 40 miles per hour. I've got a question for you. Will you ride Bolt? Leave that answer down in the comments. I'll be very interested to know, is this a yes or a no? So here we have a rendering look at an inside stateroom. This is your inside cabin. This is the Havana inside look. That's the rendering of what that would look like. Here we have an ocean view stateroom. This one is a balcony stateroom. And then next we have the Havana balcony stateroom. And that is then followed by the suites. Are you ready to cruise yet? I know I am. So that is our look at the updates for Carnival Jubilee. Also, what I'm going to do is in the description link, I'm going to drop some of our favorite cruise essentials that we think you just need to have on your cruise vacation. And once again, here is a look at our group cruise information. Check out rightrecipefortravel.com to get the full information and to sign up for our group cruise. Thanks a lot for watching and hope to see you around the ship.